Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today we are going to create a grid line alphabet logo. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, we have to select the pen tool and create a straight line. Select the line and make a copy by pressing Alt. Okay, so repeat this process. You have a shortcut, press Ctrl D. Select all of this line and align. Now make it group. Now select this line again and make a copy again. Now rotate it with Shift button, so it will be perfectly rotated. Now select all of this, align. Now select ellipse tool and make a circle in between these four lines. You can see our fill is on, so turn off the fill first. Select all. Now we have to check the outer line, so this circle and the line is perfectly connected, not overlapping. Now press Ctrl Y. Make sure every line is connected to the corner. Yeah, it's perfect. Now Ctrl Y. Now press Shift button and make another line circle. Now select both of this circle by pressing Shift button, so mark all and make a copy. Okay, done. Now select ellipse tool again. Shift button, make another circle in between these two top. Okay, same like here. Select all by pressing A, Ctrl A. Now shape builder and select a color. is no uncut or the scrap version. Yes, I guess every line is drawn properly. Okay, now select this and ungroup. Now select this and this with shift button, so we can mark all same time and shift. Okay, now delete this. Okay, wait, make a copy of this. Shift and shift. Done. Now select all of this. Okay, now select this. Make a copy of this middle line. Now just place it on middle. Select all and choose gradient. So this is our shape. So it's done. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you want to see more of this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon. Thank you.